Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So first open your Instagram application, and then in the bottom right corner you can find your profile picture. Tap on that. Then in the top right corner you can see a 3-bar icon, and you need to tap on here and you can find settings and privacy. Tap on that. Here in the top position you can find account center, so click on account center, and then you can find connected experiences, so tap on here. Now you can see sharing across profiles. Tap on here, and in this page you can find my Instagram account and Facebook account are together, so you need to click on the logo of the Facebook. That means you need to click on your Facebook account, and now in this page you can see an option that is automatically share. So you just need to enable this option from this page. Just enable it, turn it on, and then you are all set. So from now, if you share any story to Instagram, it will be automatically be shared to Facebook story. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.